Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're doing well. So today's video is on June's Glossybox. If you don't know what Glossybox is, I'll have all the description and a link over to Glossybox in the description bar for you guys to go over and check it out. It's obviously a beauty subscription box, a monthly one. So yeah, it's just in the standard pink box this month with the black writing and logo on. Just gonna start opening it up. Just a standard pink and black in the lid. You get the description card with it, which I won't look at the moment. I'll just pop it down here for now, or up there actually. And then it's just got the standard pink tissue paper, a black ribbon and black little sticker on there. So I'm just going to open it up to see what is inside. Just have to rip it a little bit. And that is what is in the box, if you can see it. They come with these little straw-like things. So I'm just going to start off with picking out a product out, which I see, and then going like that. So this is NIP+FAB Exfoliate. It's a scrub fix, exfoliating fix, triple action facial polish. Yeah, it's a 3-in-1 micro exfoliant. Gently massage onto damp skin, avoiding the air contour area. Rinse with lukewarm water. So that's quite cool, a little face scrub. 50ml bottle. There's nothing like a good exfoliator to wash away your skincare faux pas. I think this is the French box this month. Yeah, it's a French box this month. Containing 3% glycolic acid, salicylic acids and fine grains. Your skin will be refined, and brightened. The fresh grapefruit scent makes this the piece de resistance of a face scrub. This is a sample size, which doesn't say how much it is, but a 75ml bottle is £9.95. I'm just going to open it a bit and see what it kind of feels like, if it's got any sort of, you know, the scrubby texture. It's just a white consistent, and it has got little bits in it. Oh, it smells so good. So it's just like a normal scrub. So yeah, can't wait to try that out. Always looking for a good exfoliator for the face, so I can't wait to try that one out. The next product is Mystic Black NOVEX. A deep hair mask, 100 grams, free parabens, silicones, sulfates, petrolatum. It's ideal for all hair types that suffers from dryness. Direction of use: apply on slightly wet hair, massage, leave in for 3 minutes and rinse well. So a little hair mask, which is quite cute. Okay, Mystic Black Deep Hair Mask. This is a new find of ours that we just had to share. We all need a miracle working hair mask that leaves your hair feeling hydrated, free of fizz, tangles and split ends. It's enriched with baobab oil, not a jojoba, but baobab oil, and is free from any nasties, including paraffin, sulfates and silicones too. This is a sample size. It doesn't say how much it is, but 1 kilogram, I think that's kilogram, is £11.95. So let's see what it looks. Oh, so it's just a white cream sort of hair cream. It smells absolutely lovely when you put it on. It just goes into it's just clear. So I can't wait to try that out as well. I normally put coconut oil on my hair and leave it overnight and then rinse it off in the morning. But I'll give it a try. Quite nice. So the next product is the sneak peek we got in last month's box, and it's called LARITZY Cosmetics Shade Stick. Sorry, that's all it says. Aloha, I think that says Aloha. It's cruelty free, paraben free. It doesn't really say much about it, so I'll have to go to this card. For a healthy glow, this shade stick from French Canadian brand LARITZY is a must. Sorry. A fabulous multitasker, it makes a perfect bronzer and a cream contour that both highly pigmented and long lasting. We absolutely love the creamy weightless texture that makes it really easy to blend. It's also cruelty and paraben free. Yes, fantastic. And it's a full size for £18. Just going to open it if I can. I'm just going to break it and then bring it out. So it's like a matte packaging, and then that is the shade. I think it's called Aloha. I'm just going to put a bit on my hand. So that is the shade colour. It's quite nice. Just going to see if I can blend it out with my finger. Yeah, that's really, really nice actually. So that's the third product, full size product. Can't wait to try that one out. The next one is this, I don't know how to say this one, GATINEAU, Paris. Everything obviously is always written in the description bar if I don't say anything right, which I'm sorry. It's a firming throat gel, anti-aging. That's quite cool. Apply morning and or evening, stroke downwards towards base of neck. 50ml bottle. Let's have a little read. Firming throat gel, a French classic. This brand was founded in Paris over 80 years ago by women with a true passion of beauty. For beauty. Madame Jean, this GATINEAU. With a complex of powerful vitamins, this gel visibly tightens the delicate neck and décolletage, leaving it instantly smooth. That's quite cool. This is a full size for 50ml. It's £49. This is £49. I'm definitely be using this. That's really, really good. I'm going to open it and see what it's like. So it's already open. It's just got a little nozzle there, and it's just like a white gel again. It doesn't really have a smell. I don't know how to describe it. It's just like any sort of like skincare sort of smell to it, and it just goes out clear. Ooh. Might do is actually put a little bit on and see. Anything to tighten the neck. And then down it says. We'll leave that on. So quite £49. £49. I paid £13 something for this box. Okay, the last product is this. I think we've had this brand before. Line smoothing, sorry, eye cool gel, all skin types. This refreshing gel instantly revives and tones tired eyes, reducing puffiness and dark circles. To use, gently massage a small amount onto the eye contour, avoiding the eyelids until completely absorbed. Fragrance free, wheat free and paraben free. Against testing, animal testing, which is quite good. It says, we've been listening to our glossies and this eye cool gel will work to soothe and refresh your tired eyes perfectly, delivering immediate results. It's an all-round miracle. So yeah, so say au revoir to dark circles and look forward to hydrated bright eyes. What size is this? Is this the right? Yeah, 15 millilitres, and it's a full size for £24.95. £24.95. Blimmin' hell. Really, really good. So that's all that's in this box. You've got some really good products. I'm actually probably going to use all of them this month. Seems really, really good this month. Like the prices of them. It's a little bit tacky, the throat gel. But let's see if it does anything to help. The next month's sneak peek is it's called Sun, Sand and Sea Salt Hairspray. Even if you're not jetting off, the seawater hairspray from Senor du Bonfirme will give you beach waves you've been dreaming of. Quite cool. There it is, just there. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do this every month, obviously. But if you guys are looking for another box, maybe I should subscribe to Birchbox. It's another UK kind of brand subscription box, beauty subscription box. I don't think we can get BoxyCharm over here or Lipsy. No, Ipsy, sorry. We can get Lipsy, but don't think we can get Ipsy. But I'll keep looking, see if there's any other boxes. But if you guys are interested in me doing 2 boxes at the same time, just let me know. Like this video, comment down below, subscribe to my channel and press that bell button to be notified for any future videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a good day. Until next time guys, bye.